Make you no fear, I dey with you. Wike don tell PDP National Secretary Anyanwu. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you alert of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Minister for the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, he don congratulate Samuel Anyanwu, National Secretary of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), on his 60th birthday. As in dey talk for the birthday ceremony, when he also coincide with the presentation of a book titled Sam Daddy in My Eyes on Saturday for Abuja, Wike praised Anyanwu over a confirmation as the PDP National Secretary. According to Wike, as he tell Anyanwu, I dey happy with the crowd when I dey see here. E show say you are a man of the people. Make I assure you, for people like us, we go stand with you. We go continue to be with you. E no matter wetin anybody go talk. Nobody dey fight war, dey win and come dey beg. You don win, and the people concerned, make dem come, make dem talk to you. No be you go invite them. You no dey fight and win, then people go say come. No, na you go tell them make dem come meet you. You get people like me, so no fear. I dey here. We don do am before, we go do am again. Some people no go dey happy, but I dey happy. Wetin dey make man na im character, and no be how much money im get or the food wey e dey provide. If you no get character, then you go still also forget the food wey you get. Wike say he advise Anyanwu make e dey steadfast and unyielding for the struggle for the National Secretary position. Wike come talk. So I warn am, if you know say you no go fit stand firm, make you talk am now. I also ask am, you sure say you go fit stand this fight? A situation where virtually everybody, including governors, they fight you. E no go dey easy o. But if you stand firm, you go win. However, if you begin to go left and you go right, not only say you go lose, you go suffer. And he come assure me, say he go stand firm and he no go change. You don show me with wetin just happen that you be man when you dey stand by your words. The National Secretary position for the PDP National Working Committee, e don dey subject of a prolonged tussle with Anyanwu, Sunday Ude Okoye, and Setonji Kushedo. All of them dey lay claim to the role. On June 25, Umar Damagum, PDP acting chairman, he affirmed Anyanwu when he be Wike Padi as the National Secretary. The PDP Board of Trustees, BOT, and 11 members of the National Working Committee, they don condemn Damagum action. They say it contradicts the decision of the National Executive Committee, NEC. Country people, this Wike talk for Anyanwu's 60th birthday so, e dey instructive. For Senator Samuel Anyanwu, as the National Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, e don cause the challenge when e dey the PDP today. And this matter don drag on sotey Supreme Court don make pronouncement that na Anyanwu na im be the recognized secretary of the People's Democratic Party. Although this position e no dey go well with members of the National Working Committee and the Board of Trustee members, because many of them dey of the view say Anyanwu dey do the biddings of the FCT minister Nyesom Wike, and they believe say Wike dey work for the disintegration of the party. They believe say Wike mission na to make sure say the PDP no fit stand as a party to challenge the ruling All Progressives Congress, even when Wike dey claim to still be member of the PDP. Many people don complain why the PDP never fit summon courage to remove Wike, either by suspension or by any other thing, because in level of anti-party activities, e too dey obvious to ignore. But e dey be like say dem no dey fit dey summon the will, or make we talk am say the political will to take that decision. You go come dey wonder why everybody, almost everybody, dey speak against Wike and the spoiler role when e dey play for the People's Democratic Party. They believe say Anyanwu as the National Secretary na im dey carry out the policies wey e dey make am difficult for the PDP to stay in good shape, and that na why they no want am. But from the rulings of the Supreme Court and also the position of the Independent National Electoral Commission, every action they don take against Anyanwu and by extension Wike, e no dey fit dey stand because of the litigable implications for future. That na why recently INEC tell the People's Democratic Party say without Anyanwu, when he go sign the letter about their neck, they no go fit hold am. And that this one na make Damago and some few governors and former Senate president come affirm say na Anyanwu be the secretary of the PDP. Now this one don raise more dust as members of the Board of Trustees and some National Working Committee dey say na lie.